What if the Philippines, once seen as energy dependent, became one of the richest energy producers in the world? Imagine trillions of dollars worth of oil and gas lying beneath our waters, untapped and transformational. This isn't just a wild theory, it's a real possibility. Geological surveys suggest the Philippines sits atop one of Asia's most valuable hydrocarbon reserves, especially in the South China Sea. Welcome to Now Leo Know, your source for eye-opening insights and powerful stories behind global headlines. Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay updated on developments that could shape our world. Let's explore how this hidden energy wealth could reshape the Philippines' destiny and why superpowers are watching closely. Experts estimate untapped reserves could reach $26.3 trillion, enough to wipe out national debt and lift millions out of poverty. These deposits could redefine the Philippines' role in Southeast Asia and the global energy landscape. From energy independence to geopolitical influence, the implications are profound, and the journey has just begun. The Philippines is in a tough spot, importing nearly all its fuel. With daily consumption at 474,000 barrels and only 37,000 produced locally, we spend billions just to keep moving. This dependency drains our finances and makes us vulnerable. Every global oil price hike hits us hard, raising transport fares, food prices, and electricity bills. The Malampaya gas field, once our hope for energy independence, is running out. As this resource fades, the pressure to find new energy sources is rising. This gap is both a crisis and a historic opportunity. We can secure our energy future or remain at the mercy of foreign suppliers. The oil and gas beneath our waters are not just commodities. They're tools for freedom. It's about empowering every Filipino family, not just fueling our vehicles. Imagine stable energy prices, affordable electricity, and thriving businesses. Energy security means freedom from foreign pricing and uncertainty. When we control our energy, we control our future. It's our chance to prioritize local needs, protect jobs, and shape our economic destiny. The Spratly Islands, right in the South China Sea, are believed to hold some of the largest untapped hydrocarbon reserves on Earth. China's own Ministry of Geology and Mineral Resources suggests oil deposits could exceed 17.1 billion barrels, more than Kuwait. US and global energy agencies estimate up to 190 trillion cubic feet of natural gas and 11 to 12 billion barrels of oil in the broader South China Sea. Imagine the Philippines' potential cut alone reaching $26 trillion. These figures are backed by solid geological data. It's not just oil, it's the potential to power the nation and reshape regional dynamics. Every barrel could mean more classrooms, uplifted families, and restored dignity. This isn't just geography, it's legacy. A rare moment where geology and destiny intersect. Imagine erasing the national debt and building high-speed railways, world-class hospitals, and free universities. A robust oil and gas industry could create hundreds of thousands of jobs and stimulate allied industries. It's not just about cash. Smart management could fund a sovereign wealth fund like Norway's. This could be one of the greatest wealth redistribution opportunities in Philippine history. Picture a country where overseas work is a choice, not a necessity, and families can thrive together. This isn't about greed, it's about dignity and giving every Filipino child a chance to thrive. Of course, no opportunity this massive comes without complications. The Spratlys lie in one of the most contested zones in the world, with overlapping claims from China, the Philippines, Vietnam, and others. Despite winning an international tribunal ruling in 2016, the Philippines faces ongoing challenges from Chinese activities in the area. Tapping into these resources requires more than just drilling rigs. It demands diplomatic finesse, legal strength, and military preparedness. The Philippines is aligning with allies like the United States and Japan to assert maritime claims while seeking diplomatic resolutions. This is more than just a resource race, it's a high-stakes geopolitical chess game that will define the regional balance of power for decades. The question remains: can the Philippines turn legal victory into tangible resource development without triggering wider conflict? The world is watching, and history will remember what the Philippines chooses to do next. Will it step forward and defend its rightful stake, or retreat in fear of confrontation? This is not about aggression, it's about assertion, about defending our children's future from being dictated by others. Energy sovereignty is national sovereignty. By developing its own energy resources, the Philippines can break free from the financial chokehold of fuel importation. This move would drastically reduce foreign exchange outflows and trade deficits. An energy-independent Philippines could reinvest its billions in savings into infrastructure, social programs, and technological innovation, becoming a self-sustaining economic force. The transformation from importer to exporter wouldn't just affect economics, it would elevate the country's global standing and bargaining power in trade and diplomacy. Furthermore, this could stimulate a domestic industrial boom, creating local refineries, processing facilities, and export hubs that ripple across sectors. The success of this shift hinges on long-term policy planning, transparent governance, and partnerships rooted in national interest. Energy sovereignty is more than self-sufficiency, it's the key to building a resilient and empowered nation. With energy independence comes confidence, allowing a country to plan 50 years ahead, not just survive the next oil shock. It's the power to dream again, boldly, ambitiously, and with pride. Because when you're not beholden to foreign markets, you can finally design a future that works for your own people. Any massive energy endeavor comes with environmental responsibilities. The South China Sea is home to delicate marine ecosystems that millions depend on for food and livelihood. The challenge is clear: extract resources without destroying what sustains us. This calls for strict environmental standards, modern drilling practices, and marine conservation. It's an opportunity for the Philippines to lead in sustainable energy extraction, balancing economic growth with ecological stewardship. Revenue from oil and gas could even fund renewable energy programs and climate resilience infrastructure, creating a hybrid energy model for the future. Green innovation and oil development don't have to clash. They can coexist with smart planning and ethical leadership. This isn't just about oil, it's about choosing prosperity that lasts and doesn't compromise the planet. The Philippines can lead the world in showing how to develop energy with heart and conscience. It's not about repeating the mistakes of others, it's about pioneering a better way. Because true power is not just in what we extract, but in how we protect. Our oceans, our people, our future, they all deserve thoughtful stewardship. Developing deep-sea oil and gas fields isn't simple. It demands state-of-the-art drilling technology, marine engineering, and decades of expertise. That's where strategic alliances come in. Partnering with trusted global firms and friendly nations could fast-track capability building while safeguarding national interests. From building rigs to training Filipino engineers, every project becomes a chance to upskill and modernize the workforce. This would also open doors to technology transfer and future innovation hubs focused on petroleum science, safety, and energy efficiency. As the energy sector matures, it could drive digitalization and infrastructure improvements nationwide. The real win isn't just the oil. It's the evolution of Philippine capacity and competitiveness on a global scale. This is our chance to future-proof our workforce, to give young Filipinos cutting-edge skills that are in demand not just locally, but globally. Energy development can become our launchpad to innovation, a stepping stone to becoming not just energy-rich, but tech-savvy, industrially advanced, and globally competitive. With massive energy reserves comes a regional responsibility. The Philippines has the potential to lead Southeast Asia towards energy security and lessen reliance on unpredictable global markets. By hosting shared infrastructure like pipelines and refineries, we can transform into a regional energy hub. This will strengthen ASEAN unity and attract investments that uplift the entire region. Global investors are already taking notice. A stable, resource-rich Philippines could draw significant funding, enhance credit ratings, and diversify our economy. Becoming an energy exporter means shaping policy and ensuring regional stability. The Philippines has a unique opportunity to lead in the future of Asian energy dynamics. Imagine foreign leaders looking to Manila for energy solutions, not just diplomacy. This is about influence built on resources and responsibility. It's time to become a deal maker, not just a participant in the energy conversation. This is about forging a new national identity based on strength and sustainability. If harnessed properly, this wealth could eliminate poverty and elevate the Philippines to a first-world economy. But it requires vision and leadership that looks beyond elections. Norway turned its oil into a trust for its people. Why not the Philippines? A sovereign wealth fund could ensure benefits reach every Filipino, not just the elite. We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to dependence, the other to empowerment. The Philippines has an unprecedented opportunity to transform, not just grow. The oil and gas beneath our waters are a call to rise and unite, to write a new story for our nation. History gives certain nations one shot at greatness. This could be ours. A moment where purpose meets potential, where we rise through unity and courage. Let this be our legacy. A Philippines that used its wealth to uplift its people and take its rightful place on the world stage. If this story inspired you or even made you think, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more powerful insights like this. Your voice matters. Let's keep this conversation going and let's grow together.